Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial. In today's lecture, I would like to show you how to download world topographic map from Google Earth for free. So if you can see that these are world topographic map from US Army maps, I will show you how to download these map for free. So first go to Google and search here US Army Topo KMZ. After that, click on this US Army map 17. The US Army maps KMZ will be downloaded here. Now this is downloaded, so open it and wait for that. Here the US Army map KMZ file is added to Google Earth. So check this. These are topographic grids are shown on Google Earth. So zoom your study area for which area you want to download topographic map. So let's suppose I want to download topographic map for this area. So you can check the grids. It gives us information about the area. This is one grid. Topographic map will be download from here. Click it and here you can see that here is a map option. Right click on it and open link in new window or copy the link. So I just copy this link and again go to Google, go to new tab and here I will search or paste this link and click on OK. Now this is the topographic map of that area which I selected or I considered as my study area. So if you want to save this image in your system, and you right click on it and click on save image and go to your system and here you can paste it as a topographic map. Now save this map and let this PC change location for that map. Now I want to save here. A topographic map is downloaded and save as JPG. Now after that I will add this map in GIS software. So open GIS software. Now go to add data and here is the topographic map in JPG format which I downloaded. Add it. Here you can see that we download this topographic map from US Army Topography. By this way you can download a topographic map for any area